In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Substack using the app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share a quick update, thought, or announcement right from your phone without any fuss. This walkthrough keeps things simple and focused, and we'll stick to posting a plain text note so you can see how fast and easy it is. First, open the Substack app on your device. Give it a moment to load so you're looking at your home feed or the main screen. If you haven't used the app in a while, it's a good idea to make sure it's updated so everything looks and works the way it should. Now, tap the Create button. Depending on your device, it may look like a plus sign or a button labeled Create, usually found at the bottom or top of the screen. This is your starting point for anything you want to publish from the app. Next, choose Note. Notes are perfect for short-form, timely updates. Think of them like quick posts meant to start a conversation, share a link or idea, or drop a brief update for your readers. If you've used longer newsletter posts before, this will feel lighter and faster, ideal for on-the-go publishing. With the note editor open, write what's on your mind. Keep it clear and to the point. A strong opening sentence helps hook your readers, especially on mobile screens. If your idea needs a bit more context, add a second or third sentence to round it out, and consider using line breaks for readability. You can draft naturally and polish as you go. Reading it back once helps catch typos and tighten the message before you share. You also have the option to add images or video here. If you want to include media, look for the icon that lets you attach from your camera roll. Choose visuals that support the message, like a quick photo or a short clip. Keep in mind that your phone may ask for permission to access photos or camera. That's normal for adding media. For this tutorial, though, we'll keep it simple and post a text-only note. When your message looks good, tap Post. The Post button is typically at the top or bottom of the screen, and once you tap it, your note is published and visible to your audience. That's it. Fast, simple, and effective. If you notice something to fix afterward, you can always return to the note and make quick edits. To recap, open the Substack app, tap Create, select Note, write your message, optionally add media, and tap Post. You're now ready to share timely updates anytime, straight from your phone.